recognize the fact that, because people think that we are judgmental as Catholics. All right, well, there's a couple things I would say. First of all, when you talk about these difficult issues and the issues of the culture, expect to be ridiculed. Okay? Jesus was mocked, kicked, punched, slapped, scorned, and beaten on his way to the cross. And Jesus says if we are truly be his disciples, we have to deny ourselves, pick up our cross, and put it down when it gets heavy. Follow him. Follow him. So the same thing that happened to him, you can expect it to happen to us. Pull your big boy pants up. Okay? Get used to it. It's going to happen. See, and the reason why the culture calls you all these names, I get called intolerant, you're bigoted, you're closed-minded, you're homophobic, you don't appreciate diversity, blah, 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 blah. They want you, the reason why they call you those names, because they want you so caught up in emotion that you don't think. See, so when I engage in these things in the culture, my job is to not yell, not scream, not try to win arguments, not see who's smarter. You know what my real job is in engaging the culture? How do I get this person in front of me to want to hear more of what I have to say?